Yes, no, or maybe in the suit of swords. Swords in tarot deal with the realm of the mind, including thoughts, communication, and intellectual pursuits. However, it often contains some of the more challenging cards in the deck and is more frequently associated with no or maybe answers. Here are the cards of the suit of swords with their general implications in a yes, no, maybe context. Ace of Swords, yes. Represents breakthroughs, new ideas, or mental clarity. Two of Swords, maybe. Stands for indecision, stalemate, or blocked emotions. Three of Swords, no. Symbolizes heartbreak, sorrow, or grief. Four of Swords, maybe. Represents rest, recuperation, or contemplation. Five of Swords, no. Stands for conflict, tension, or defeat. Six of Swords, maybe. Represents transition, change, or rite of passage. Seven of Swords, no. Symbolizes deceit, trickery, or tactics. Eight of Swords, no. Stands for restriction, imprisonment, or powerlessness. Nine of Swords, no. Represents anxiety, worry, or fear. 10 of Swords, no. Symbolizes painful endings, deep wounds, or betrayal. Page of Swords, maybe. Represents curiosity, restlessness, or mental energy. Knight of Swords, maybe. Stands for action, ambition, or impulsiveness. Queen of Swords, maybe. Symbolizes clear-mindedness, independent judgment, or sharp wit. King of Swords, yes, maybe. Represents intellectual power, truth, or clear communication. Again, remember that a card's ultimate meaning in a yes or no context can depend on various factors, such as the specific question, the card's position, and surrounding cards in the spread, and the reader's intuition.